Imagine a tool that can create, innovate, and even strategize on your behalf. This is not a distant future, but the present reality with AI in content generation. We are witnessing an era where artificial intelligence is radically transforming the landscape of content creation. It's not just about automation, but also about enhancing creativity and efficiency. At the heart of this revolution is a remarkable tool known as ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool is capable of generating content that's not only coherent and meaningful, but also tailored to specific needs and audiences. From drafting blog post ideas to creating captivating social media captions, ChatGPT is equipped to handle a wide array of content creation tasks. But it doesn't end there. ChatGPT can also strategize, identifying opportunities to fill content gaps, and even assisting in the development of comprehensive content marketing strategies. Harnessing the potential of AI, especially ChatGPT, can transform content creation, making it more efficient, effective, and innovative. Crafting effective prompts for ChatGPT is an art and a science, combining creativity with structured guidelines. It's about creating a roadmap for this powerful AI tool, guiding it towards your desired output. When done right, it can lead to some truly remarkable results, from captivating content to insightful analysis. So, what does it take to craft an effective ChatGPT prompt? It's a blend of several core components that help ChatGPT understand your project and produce the output you're looking for. Think of these components as the building blocks of your prompt. First up is the project description. This is where you outline your project's purpose, the intended audience, and what you need from ChatGPT. It's like setting the stage, giving ChatGPT a sense of direction. Next, you need to assign a role to ChatGPT. This could be a profession, a point of view, or an identity that aligns with your project's needs. This role helps shape ChatGPT's responses, guiding them towards a specific area of expertise. Then comes the project context. This is your chance to fill ChatGPT in on any background information, important facts, or reasons behind your project. It's like giving ChatGPT a backstage pass to your project's world, helping it generate more suitable responses. Now let's talk about output specifications. Here you'll detail what you want from ChatGPT's output, from the tone and style to the structure and any research needs. It's a bit like giving ChatGPT a recipe to follow. Don't forget about rules and constraints too. These guidelines can further assist ChatGPT in crafting the right output for you. It can be as simple as excluding certain words or as complex as avoiding specific content types. Finally, giving ChatGPT examples of what you're looking for can be a game changer. This can help ChatGPT better understand your instructions and reduce any risk of misinterpretation. With clear project description, assigning a role to ChatGPT, providing context, specifying output, setting rules, and giving examples, you are set to craft powerful prompts. It's a blend of creativity, strategy, and structure that can unlock the full potential of ChatGPT. So let's dive into the details and start crafting. Now, it's time to dive into the details of each component, starting with the project description. Essentially, this is your project's elevator pitch. It's a brief yet comprehensive snapshot of your project, its purpose, and the outputs you need from ChatGPT. For instance, if you're working on a content marketing strategy for a tech startup, your project description might highlight the need for blog post ideas, social media captions, and email newsletter concepts. Next up is defining ChatGPT's role. This is where you assign a profession or point of view to the tool, guiding its responses. This could range from a content strategist to a science fiction writer, depending on your project. For content generation, you might have ChatGPT act as a strategist, helping to generate captivating headlines and viral post ideas, as well as identify opportunities to fill content gaps in your niche. The third component is project context. This helps ChatGPT understand the why behind your project. It could be background information about the project or critical facts and stats. In our tech startup example, the context could be that the startup is prioritizing building a strong online presence over sales in its early growth phase. The fourth component is all about output specifications. This is where you get specific about what you want from ChatGPT. Do you want it humorous or serious? short and punchy or long and elaborate. You'll also need to outline the structure and any necessary research. For a content strategy, you might specify a professional yet accessible tone, a clear structure beginning with strategy objectives, and research into the content marketing of popular tech brands. Fifth on the list are rules and constraints. These are like the boundaries within which ChatGPT operates. They could be certain types of content, examples, or even words you want ChatGPT to exclude. In our content marketing strategy example, a rule might be to avoid mentioning competitors in the content. Finally, we have output examples. These are like a North Star for ChatGPT, guiding it towards the kind of output you want. It could be examples of the style and tone you want, examples of the kind of content you're after, or even samples from your own previous work. For email subject lines, you might provide an example that's upbeat and inviting, like your gateway to the future of tech. Remember, the more specific and detailed your instructions, the better ChatGPT can understand your needs and deliver the desired output. It's like having a conversation with a very diligent assistant. The clearer your instructions, the more effective the assistant. So, don't be afraid to get detailed and precise. With these components in mind, you are ready to create powerful and effective ChatGPT prompts. Having understood the components, you might wonder how to put them all together. Let's unravel the mystery. Imagine you're crafting a ChatGPT prompt for a tech startup's content marketing strategy. You're aiming to captivate a niche market of tech enthusiasts and need ChatGPT to generate blog post ideas, social media captions, and email newsletter concepts. Your project description would be: develop a content marketing strategy for a tech startup for the purpose of increasing brand awareness and engaging a niche market of tech enthusiasts. ChatGPT will assist in drafting blog post ideas, captions for social media posts, and email newsletter concepts. Next, let's assign ChatGPT a role. ChatGPT will act as a content generator and strategist, helping to generate captivating headlines and viral post ideas, as well as identify opportunities to fill content gaps in this niche. To provide context, the content strategy will support a tech startup prioritizing building a strong online presence over sales in its early phases of growth, so the content strategy needs to reflect this focus. We then need to outline the output specifications. The content strategy should use accessible terms and avoid jargon while still sounding professional, so that all project stakeholders can easily understand it. It should start with the strategy objectives and provide specific ideas for content that will appear on multiple marketing channels, along with a short rationale for each suggestion. It should be informed by the content marketing of popular tech brands, Company A, Company B, and Company C. Following this, we include rules and constraints. The content marketing strategy should not include any ideas for email, blog, or social media content that would mention our competitors in the content itself. And finally, we give output examples. Generate a list of email subject lines for the tech startup brand awareness campaign that mimics the upbeat and inviting style of this example. Your gateway to the future of tech. Join us on the journey. So there you have it. We've just turned individual components into a comprehensive set of instructions for ChatGPT. With this, you have a complete guide to craft a powerful ChatGPT prompt. The power of effective prompts can transform your content creation process, optimizing it to new levels. By harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT, you can streamline your creative process, generate fresh ideas, and produce high-quality content, all while saving valuable time and resources. Let's take a closer look at how effective prompts can revolutionize your content creation. Firstly, they allow you to tap into the vast potential of ChatGPT. By providing clear, detailed instructions, you are effectively guiding the AI, enabling it to produce outputs that align closely with your needs and specifications. Secondly, effective prompts offer you the ability to customize your content. Whether you need a witty social media post, an engaging blog article, or an informative newsletter, you can tailor your prompts to solicit the exact tone, style, and format you desire. This level of customization was previously unheard of and is a game changer in the world of content creation. Thirdly, prompts can help you overcome creative blocks. We've all been there, staring at a blank page, waiting for inspiration to strike. With ChatGPT, you can use prompts to generate a plethora of ideas, kickstarting your creativity and getting those creative juices flowing. Moreover, effective prompts can assist in maintaining consistency across your content. By assigning ChatGPT a role or a specific point of view, you ensure that the AI generates content that aligns with your brand's voice and messaging, providing a cohesive experience for your audience. Lastly, effective prompts can help you scale your content creation. With ChatGPT, you can generate multiple pieces of content simultaneously, allowing you to maintain a steady stream of fresh, engaging content for your audience. So, you see, effective prompts are not just a tool for guiding ChatGPT. They are a powerful asset in your content creation arsenal, enabling you to produce better content faster and more efficiently. With effective ChatGPT prompts, you are not just creating content, you are revolutionizing it.